Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Unwind with Arvind. Today we are in the city of Lima. And one more fun fact about Lima is that this city never sleeps. Yesterday we were out partying and the clubs literally closed at 6 a.m. I'm not even kidding, 6 a.m. And 6 a.m. is when they said, okay, we gotta close for you, we're gonna have to go back home, right? So that is the city we are exploring today. And right now, I just went and said to the hotel guys, hey, I don't know anything about Lima. What do I do? What do I do to explore? And they said we have a bus tour or a walk tour. I don't know what it is actually, but we'll soon see what it is. And I just signed up for it, and they are right now taking me to this tour through bus. And this is a bus station, I guess. I don't know. I didn't do any research on Lima, by the way. I just said, okay, I'm going to come in. But my advice for you, if you are planning to do a trip to Lima, Peru, the whole country, I would say learn little bit of Spanish or have a friend who actually knows Spanish, because although there is English and Spanish that are spoken in this country, but then I see majorly everyone are doing Spanish. Okay, I am late for my bus. Okay, the bus is here. Let's go. Okay, right now we are walking towards a place, and I hope it's the downtown Lima. Whoa, okay, this looks good. This looks good.
Around 3 hours more or less, as I mentioned to some of you. We're going to start over here in San Martín.
Arvind, and I'm from India.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I'm just invested in vlogging. So.
I'm David. I'm mostly the most important one and also one of the oldest ones. In this case, over there in front of you in that area. So in this case, I'm going
Okay, she gave us a lot of information, but all I heard was blah 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 blah, and we have this guy who is very important to our country. That's what I heard. And moreover, I don't want to give you spoilers on the history of this place. I want you guys to come here, explore, and see how it is.
San Martín Square, the other side, the main square. Okay, we are going to find 11 blocks that separate from each other.
Okay, again, she said a lot of things, but in a nutshell, what she's saying is the place we are here, right? So this place is where all the rich and luxurious people used to live. This was their quarter, and right now this is basically taken care of the government, and then they are making it as a tourist place. And here you would also see something interesting, right? So they have this shields put on some of the buildings. It just means that it is under the control of UNICEF. And okay, they are just leaving me, so I'm gonna run for it. We are just stopping for some choco cones in McDonald's.
Right. So mostly that's why they're not as pressed here. Okay, that's why.
Okay, she was actually talking about their politics, and she was making comments on how bad their politics is right now. Right now, they are being, I think there's a women president, and which is, they are being ruled by, and she was just complaining how corrupted they are, and then they're just waiting for the next election to come just so they can throw her out. But yeah, I mean, she was very open about how corrupted the cops are, how corrupted the people are. I mean, the government employees are. But still, yes, every country has its own plus and minuses, and Lima also has its own. So that was the end of the vlog, which is basically a walk tour of Lima's downtown. It was actually good. I mean, they gave us a lot of information about the place and the history of the place. But honestly, if you feel like you want to spend your own time, like you want to take it slow, you don't want to rush through the things, you can actually choose to do it on your own, right? That is what I felt by the end of the vlog. But if I mean, I'm saying vlog by the end of the tour. But if you want some information about the place, if you want to know the history of the place, definitely go for this. And by the way, it is supposed to be a free tour, but they do accept tip, and they insist on getting tipped. So yeah, we basically paid them like 60 Peruvian sol, which I don't know what it turns to INR. I think it's around 1,500 or 2,000 rupees for three people. So yeah, so that was the Lima's city tour. But I'll be covering few more parts of Lima in the next coming vlogs. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog and like, share, subscribe to my channel. Unwind with Arvind. No, 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 no. Thank you. Okay, he was just asking to shine shoes. But anyways, see you in the next vlog, folks. Bye bye.
You. Hey, fuck you. Hey, fuck you. I'll beat your ass.